My name is Dr. Kristen Beinschroth. I have been a certified radiologic technologist for 15 years, and I've been in radiologic sciences higher education for 13 of those years. Carrington College was very appealing to me because it is an alternative pathway that's not necessarily traditional college route. My experience, I've worked in a lot of different organizations, but with a proprietary school, it allows us to have a lot more flexibility to meet students where they are. As program director at Carrington College Radiologic Technology program, my vision is to be innovative and to bring a new type of program that doesn't exist very often in our field. On a daily basis, a radiologic technologist performs medical imaging exams using both radiography and fluoroscopy in order to aid physicians in diagnosing and treating patients. We work in outpatient settings, inpatient settings. We can cross-train into a lot of different modalities of medical imaging, but the fundamental radiologic technologist performs diagnostic x-rays and fluoroscopic exams on patients in a variety of settings. Radiologic technology is a role that most organizations cannot function without. Medical imaging provides answers to why something is happening, what is happening, and then what is the best route forward. A lot of times we're narrowing a differential diagnosis to a particular singular diagnosis in order to be able to move forward with treatments. So as a student in the Carrington College Radiologic Technology program, you'll be learning all about the different facets of medical imaging, including patient care, radiation safety and radiobiology, physics and instrumentation, positioning and procedures, image analysis and radiographic pathology, as well as clinical portions, including a lot of professional development. So you not only learn the didactic theory portions of being a medical imaging technologist, you also get hands-on experience working in the field, falling in love with radiology, and honing your skills. So if you're a student looking to go into medical imaging, it's very important that you go to a program that will prepare you to be able to become credentialed in the area that you're studying. Our program here at Carrington College is approved by the California Department of Public Health, the Radiologic Health Branch, which allows radiologic technology programs to function in California. Secondary to that is you want to pick a program that is approved by our national registry, which is the American Registry of Radiologic Technologists. They are the largest credentialing body for medical imaging technologists, and this program prepares you with everything that you need to take the ARRT registry in radiography. So the ARRT credential is really the fundamental thing that you need when you come out of a medical imaging program, and then being approved by the state provides a pathway to state licensure as well. The Radiologic Technology program at Carrington College is designed pretty much for everybody. Something that's very important is we want to provide as few barriers as possible to entry so that more people can get into the medical imaging field. It's really great for somebody who loves high-touch, hands-on patient care, who has that humanitarian need or want to be able to serve others. It's also good for somebody who really enjoys the technology side of healthcare. The one thing to know about this program is it's fairly demanding as far as time constraints, so it does take a really good commitment and a love for medical imaging to really enjoy the pathway there. The part that excites me most about the future of this program is that we're doing it a little bit different. We're taking information from a bunch of different types of program at the national and international level, and we're implementing all the best parts and leaving out all the pain points that we know before. Seeing a new program that is built on student needs and clinical partnerships is very exciting to watch it unfold and also to hear the feedback from our community and our stakeholders. So if you're a prospective student and you're thinking about radiologic technology as a profession, there's some steps that you can take now. first, you want to research the profession. You can go online and learn about programs, look at the different type of classes that you take. Second, it's really important to go talk to somebody that works in the field. That can be an educator, it can be somebody who works bedside, it can be somebody who manages a department for medical imaging. And then the next thing is to reach out to Carrington College, reach out to one of our enrollment teams, and they will be able to give you more information about what our program looks like. So the best way to start is research, talk to somebody who works in the area, and then request information from your program that you're interested in.